Well, there you have it. In your face, in my face, and it's just lovely. You and I need to accept the fact that never before in the history of the world, I don't care how far you want to go back, I'm talking about the financial markets, have there been a more rigged game? Okay, what is Greg talking about? Well, in case you didn't notice, Wall Street had a rip-roaring rally across the board with like 90% upside volume. What is this? What is going on here? Well, how about an unlimited bond buying program by the European Central Bank? Oh yeah, which will absolutely and probably is already being followed up by the Federal Reserve. But you can't know about that. No, absolutely not. People, look, easy money is like magic. It just makes beautiful things happen to the stock market. Oh, but it causes inflation to rage out of control. And we got another warning today. I'll get to that in just a moment from the big Wall Street banks on the economy, not the stock market. Understand. You see, it seems, and I read the comments, I tell you, there are some people, it seems like a lot of people, who believe that an inflated stock market or a stock market that's going up like today across the board, ripping higher, that means our economy is strong. Oh, that was a lie that was sold during, I guess, the last administration. Rah, rah, rah. Look at that stock market. It means our economy is doing great. How about no? There's no connection here, okay? Stock market, economy. Round after round after round. Let's do a dance together. Round after round after round. Of bad economic news. Don't freak stop. But the stock market rips higher. Beautiful. You see, like I said, when you have an environment like this, where endless, and I mean that, unlimited amounts of easy money are going to be used to fuel an even larger debt market hyperbubble, well, nothing matters. Earnings, forward guidance, PE ratios, the fact that the economy is in free fall, the fact that people can't make ends meet, 75%. Listen to these numbers just real quick. Okay, I covered this yesterday. 75% of middle income earners, those earning between $30,000 and $100,000 per year here in the United States, are saying they cannot make ends meet. Savings rate, negative. They continue to borrow beyond their eyeballs, borrowing into destitution, smiling too like this. While they're doing it, oh, but everything is just fantastic. Yeah, it just couldn't possibly be better. Yeah, that's what you would expect to see in this kind of a twisted upside down environment. But people, again, they don't get it. Stock market's going up. They think the economy is rip-roaring. Make something like that up. Again, this is just the brainwashing, the propaganda ministries, puppet presidents, whoever else they got to prop up there to try to convince people that, oh, look at the stock market. Look over here. Do not look over there at the abysmal economic news that just doesn't stop. Housing starts literally falling off of a cliff, business spending falling off of a cliff. We keep finding out more and more big businesses and small businesses alike are going to be laying people off moving forward. That sounds great. Let's just prop up the stock market even higher. Oh, just lovely. You can't make any of this stuff up. So on top of a rip-roaring rally on Wall Street, and you got, again, 90% volume to the upside. That's pretty profound, okay? You got a 10-year yield just over 3%. Bitcoin taking off again. People over 23,000. Just recently said a couple of days ago that Bitcoin was looking good to me here. Well, it looks even better to me right now. Gold and silver right now with fractional losses today. The relative strength of the dollar, comparative strength of the dollar, for those of you that like that better, was lower. Crude oil caught a nice bid today. As a matter of fact, the financial sector today up about 3% across the board. The energy sector, about 3% across the board. And this is driving the market again. Easy money is a magical thing. Easy money is a magical thing. Oh yeah. It's designed to, again, prop up the stock market at the expense of pretty much everyone else. And in this case, we're talking about a middle class that's going extinct, like the dodo bird. Yes, the dodo bird. The poor dodo bird, he's gone now. Never coming back. No. Anyway, enough of dodo bird stuff here, people. So let me, I know, I'm pretty out there. So this is off Yahoo Finance today. So the big Wall Street banks are bracing for a severe economic downturn. Oh, but you see, it doesn't matter because the stock market's going to keep going higher. Oh yeah, it's all easy money. Is it going to last? Look, it will continue to last until they're done. And I don't care really how many of you are going to argue with me, and I've gotten a lot of argument and pushback for what I'm about to tell you. Okay, I'm going to say it again. Are you ready? Take a deep breath because some of you won't be able to take it. I know that. Central banks have unlimited firepower. They have no regulation. They can do whatever they want. They can add as many zeros to a digital screen as they want to. And they can buy anything that they want to buy. Okay? Again, I know this upsets a lot of you. I do read the comments. But tell me where I got this wrong. For those of you that don't like to, maybe it interferes with your ability to, I don't know, figure things out. How is it that those of you that are taking me saying that I'm wrong on that, how is it that central banks do not have unlimited firepower? When was the last time you were told or heard that a central bank can't do anything it wants to? It can increase the money supply. It can try to decrease the money supply, which it will never do. They're going to keep inflating it until oblivion comes, whenever that may be. They can do whatever they want. They have unlimited firepower, but at a cost, people, like I've been explaining to you. Do you really believe that a central bank, any central bank, can just conjure up unlimited amount of funds to buy unlimited amounts of debt and then buy debt and there not be a price to pay for it? Let's think about that. How about no? There's always a price. It's more inflation. And then you got the propaganda ministries trying to sell you the biggest lie on the face. It's probably since the Kennedy assassination. I don't know. Okay, I'm just making this stuff up. 9/11, pick another one. COVID, I don't know. There's some pretty big lies out here. But the one that they're trying to sell you now is that central banks really care about inflation. They care about inflation. Yeah, they're going to raise that federal funds rate, the overnight rate. They're going to raise it, 50 basis points, 75, maybe even 1 whole percentage point. And that's going to really make a difference. It's going to change everything. Oh, yeah, we went from, let's see, temporary or transitory inflation to, we're peaking. We're peaking now. Oh, no, we're not. We're not peaking. We're not even close to peaking. But they're going to try to sell you. They tried to sell you that lie too. But where's the public outcry? Oh, there isn't any. That's right. The silence it's overwhelming. What do you think? People, I dare you to make any of this stuff up. I was just writing stuff down. It was just so funny. This is me just writing crap down. You can see that? My handwriting's awful. Oh, easy money pouring back into the debt market. It's magical. Oh, yeah, nothing matters. And I'm just writing this stuff down here. And I'll tell you something else that I don't think is getting the attention that it deserves. The other lie that they're trying to sell you is that they're trying to tell you that expanding global debt means expanding global growth. That's another lie. Oh, yeah. People are buried beyond their eyeballs in debt. Let's look at on the micro scale at an individual person. John Smith over there, that freak over there. Oh, he just got an increase to his credit line. Oh, he just took out 3 more credit card loans as well. And that means that he's doing great. He's doing so fantastic. So on a macro scale, sure, if a nation's debt continues to balloon along with the rest of the entire world, then that must be growth. Oh, so debt is growth. So everyone's rich. Superb. It's fantastic. Make it up. People make that stuff up. Make any of this stuff up. You can't. No one can. But maybe you can. All right, look, I'm out of here. I don't know what else to tell you. Just lovely, right? Let's see where this goes. Let's see what other tricks central banks have up their sleeves. Meanwhile, okay, big banks are preparing for a severe economic downturn, but it won't matter for the stock market if easy money keeps pouring in. Won't matter. No, no, no. Crazy people. But this guy here loves you a lot. I really do. And I mean that. So, with that said, I'm going to cut out of here. Maybe I'll go that way, because that way is the window. I don't feel like jumping out the window. So I'll go that way towards the door. What do you think? Love you a lot. Share the video. Please comment. What do you think? What do you think about the shit show? Let's call it a shit show. Let's do that together. You ready? It's a shit show. But it's kind of fun to watch. My opinion, even participate in. Oh yeah, I'm buying. I'm still buying JEPI. I bought a boatload of this stuff over the last few weeks. Doing pretty damn well. Pays a monthly dividend. I'm not telling you to buy it. Believe me, or sell. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. All right? I better get out of here before I get myself in more trouble. See you in the morning.